Alrighty guys, we're going to go ahead and review Adaware AdBlock. Now if you want to download it and try it yourself, you can go to adaware.com, click right here where it says AdBlock, go ahead and click download. Now this is a extension for Chrome, okay guys? We're going to go ahead and test it, but once you install the extension, this is what it looks like here. I don't know why it's saying right now it's off, but this is what it looks like here. Once the extension is installed, go ahead and turn it on if it's off. The block pop-ups function is off by default. You can go ahead and turn that on, guys. And then you can mess with it. You can go to the settings by clicking settings here. Filter lists. You can go ahead and mess with all this. But if you just keep the defaults, it should be fine. But you can add trusted sites. For example, we're going to test this out with Pirate Bay. We're going to go ahead and go to Pirate Bay here. Pirate Bay is usually always going to do pop-ups on us, so we're going to go ahead and now if Pirate Bay wasn't working, whatever website you have doesn't work, you can always come here to trusted sites and add here. Click on import and you can add as well there. I think you could, let me see. Let's copy, oh come on, my bad. I messed up right here guys, sorry about that. We're going to copy and paste the Pirate Bay website real quick. And I think if you hit the downward arrow, how the heck do you add it? Okay, so I'm putting it to Notepad, but still, I don't know guys. I'm going to have to give it a bad review about this. It's really hard to add a trusted site. It's just weird. You should be able to just type in the dang address, website address, and hit add. I don't know what the hell's going on there, guys. But anyway, we're going to test it anyway. It looks like it's not blocking our Pirate Bay here. If you guys find out how to do this, let me know. This is stupid. I don't know why the heck it does it this way. But anyway, let's go ahead and try it out. So there should be a pop-up popping up as soon as you start trying to even search for something. I was searching for the chosen here. Looks like it's not popping up a pop-up yet. Is it on? Yeah. No, wait. We forgot to turn on the block pop-ups feature. Let's try this again. Normally, stupid Pirate Bay would start to throw pop-ups at us. Make sure it's on. All right, it's on. And let's see. Let's see if a pop-up tries to pop up. Looks like it's not. It opened up the torrent good enough. There's no pop-ups. That's weird. Usually I have pop-ups coming up right away, guys, and it looks like it's not. Let's try something different. Let's try Stream East. That's where I like to stream games and stuff. So usually on this website, we get a lot of pop-ups. Why does it keep turning off? See, another thing that pisses me off about this thing, it turns off the pop-up blocker. So I don't know if I'm going to give this thing a good review, but we're going to turn it on. We're going to try this again. Usually a bunch of pop-ups try to come up every time I try to do this. And it looks like it's not. It's not. I don't know if it's blocking the pop-ups from coming up. I don't know what's going on here. Usually you get a lot of pop-ups, guys, and I'm not seeing one pop-up coming up, which is good. It's actually a good thing. You know what I mean? Is it still on? Okay. You got to keep going back and check. It's stupid. Look, it is blocking them, I think. It blocked 7 of them. Let's go to NBA over here. Let's try it again. Blocked 5. Okay. Well, it looks like it's working, guys. It's blocking the. Usually, you get a lot of pop-ups coming up when you're on here. Seriously, and I'm not seeing nothing come up, which is good. Yeah, it's actually working. It's blocking a bunch of stuff. Now here, okay, it's still on. And it's blocking a whole bunch of stuff. So that's good. It looks like it's working, guys. That's pretty good. The only thing I don't like is that it turns off by itself. So you got to keep checking. Look, check that. Oh my God, it did it again. Look at that crap. It's off. Why the hell is it off? It keeps turning off on its own, guys. This is so annoying. when you open up a whole new tab, I think that's when it turns itself off. Like here, see, it turned itself off. I don't know what the heck's going on here. Maybe it's because I went to here. But like I said, it's really hard. You got to import it somehow. It would be cool if you could just type in the website here. Looks like it works though. Every time you open up a new tab though, be careful. Be very careful every time you open up a new tab because it seems to turn off on its own. So just be very careful, guys. Let's go to this website. Okay. Just every time you open up a new tab, make sure it is on. Always check to make sure it's on. It looks like it's working. We went to one of the craziest websites. We went to Pirate Bay. We went to Stream East. And there's always pop-ups popping up there. They did not pop up, which is good. It looks like it works. The only thing that pisses me off about it, and I'm going to have to give it maybe a 2 out of 5 stars. It works. We'll give it a 3 out of 5 stars review. Because you got to keep turning it on every time. And not only that, the trusted sites, it's weird. You should be able to type in the website and hit add. So this is going to give it 3 out of 5 stars. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. And we will continue to make more videos. Stay tuned.